Material Energy Chuangshun Hangzhou Technology Company Limited is a professional factory is located in Hangzhou, China. Storage batteries for more than 10 years. Also, Chuangshun Company Limited is a one-stop scheme design solution provider. We support customization and OEM. We are committed to provide all-in-one solutions and services for global green energy applications. We take energy is filled with technology and the world is beautiful because of environmental protection as our mission. Our products are based on innovation with technological breakthroughs, also with complete qualification certificates such as data